Tell me you have an annoying dog without telling me you have an annoying dog. Here, I'll go first. This Joker won't quit barking because he wants me to throw his stupid toy. But Daddy is holding the toy thrower. So I can't throw very well. So this is what I do. There we go. And he'll come right back. Oh, now he's going to take a minute. Do you know you're annoying, Rocco? Oh, now he's going to lay down. I'll walk away. See if he follows me. But he's so cute, though. And there's the other one running around. Oh, there he goes again. Welcome to my world. This is our world here. We got Tucker, and Rocco, and Elvis and Beatrix. And he's steady barking, thinking we're going to throw his toy for him. Oh, he's going to come over. Stop following me! There, finally, he stops.